Hello everyone, this is I from Di2 company. Do you struggle with internal cable routing? Di read your mind and bring you the solution. Di TB-IR10. Let's see how this little tool helps you at the internal cable routing. First, make your magnet guider to go through the frame. Pick up the magnet connector and hydraulic hose adapter. Assemble these two together. Then screw on the hydraulic hose. Connect the hose with magnet guider. Then send the hose into the frame and pull the magnet guider by the other hand. Until the hose goes through the frame. Remember to cut off 10 mm at the end of the hydraulic hose after routing to avoid oil leaking. This is TB-IR10, the best solution of internal cable routing.